From YourSixTech today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the console lock so you don't have to press A 3 times every time you wake up your PlayStation. And this can get a little bit annoying. Sometimes you just want to go ahead and jump in and play. Well, there's a simple setting for this. So on the home screen here, let's go to System Settings and then select this and then scroll on down. And this is called Screen Lock. Go to the right. Lock console in sleep mode. So I have this turned on. We can simply just turn this off right here. And this says lock the console, so the same button must be pressed 3 times to proceed when you exit sleep mode. The console will not lock when connected to a TV. So if you have it connected to a TV in the dock like I do now, you will never have to do that. It's only in the handheld mode when you're traveling with your Nintendo Switch that the lock is actually going to be activated. So you can decide if you want that on or off, but sometimes that does get annoying. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.